Notice, spirit energy increasing. Another attack is triggered.
Just die already, you filthy monster! Trinity! Disintegration!
Ah, shit! There's no way Beelzebub can handle this one!
Not a problem. Would you like to activate the ultimate skill, Uriel's Absolute Guard?
Do it.
Lord, this should be nothing but dust! This cannot be! It's impossible! I refuse to believe it! There isn't a living being in this world that can withstand a direct hit from disintegration!
That all? I thought you guys would be better than this.